Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals.
To remove the hard drive, flip the laptop over, loosen the screws on the base cover, and gently pry it off using a plastic tool. Lift the cover away. First, locate the battery and unplug the battery cable. Remove the screws holding the battery in place and lift it out of the system. Next, find the hard drive highlighted in blue. Unplug the cable, connecting it to the motherboard. Remove the 4 screws securing the hard drive and lift it up and away from the system. Next, disconnect the cable from the hard drive. Remove the screws holding the hard drive bracket and then carefully take the bracket off the hard drive. To reinstall the hard drive, slide the hard drive bracket back onto the hard drive and line up the screw holes. Attach the screws to secure the bracket and reconnect the small connector to the hard drive. Place the hard drive assembly back into the system. Align and place the screws back in to secure it to the computer, and reconnect the cable. Now place the battery back into the system, align it properly, and secure it with the screws. Plug the battery cable back in. Finally, snap the base cover back into place and tighten the screws to finish.
For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.